Okay, I just thought that before going to sleep, I just want to quickly mention in the toolbox to manage anxiety for for you, Christine. These are the essentials, like super important. Besides the things that we do daily and the things that we need to avoid doing in order to get better soon, um, the essentials are, remember how you used to take vitamins and essentials and supplements. That's super important. So the vitamins are B6. This helps with the dopamine production, and the B complex, like that helps you feel happy. The D3 and 20 minutes of sunshine, like actual sunshine on your back, super important, because these two, D3 will help turn, um, when you get the sun on, like sunshine make you feel happy. You know how in winter we feel more depressed and like seasonal disorder and all that. Like when I was in Vietnam, like I completely gone off my Valdoxan is because there's plenty of sunshine there, and it just basically automatically cure, um, like it lifts mood, it helps you function better, and whole host of other things. So sunshine and vitamins. So don't forget ashwagandha. Mommy also got you ginkgo. That's for your brain functioning, memory. It brings blood to the brain and helps with depression a little bit. Um, so I've got you some of the supplements here, and you really need positive, uplifting, meaningful experiences. Yeah, that means sitting in front of the computer all the time is not going to help. It's going to make it much worse. Like it will interfere with sleep, and I think I am going to sue the Department of Education because you guys are exposed to the computer at a very early age and too much. That is not normal. Why are previous generations, even though they have been through like horrific stuff, but hardly anyone, like, it's not because people don't report depression, the rate is actually less because we were not exposed to the screens so like to this extent. So do yourself a favor and take steps, actually have like a plan. Anyways, so those are um, the essentials for now. We'll talk later. Don't forget to drink water regularly. You don't have to drink so much, but drink regularly, like sip here, sip. Like just keep the water next to you. Eat greens, wholesome food. Um, Learn to cook your favorite food, and nurture your mind, your soul connection, and your heart. Remember, you are like sacred to me. You are so loved, and you have no idea. So if your mind tells you otherwise, that is your mind. That's part of. Sometimes we can't trust the negative messages that our mind tell us when we are not in a good place. Beware of toxic people and their negative messages. You are still a child to me. Doesn't matter how old you are, and you will always be my baby. So Okay, now next year mommy will be in working from overseas, and I won't be here, so you need to learn to really look after yourself better, with actually spend at least 2 hours looking after your physical body, showering, your hair. I just came back here 2 weeks and I'm already like flaky, so the weather here is dry, so maybe put a bowl of water in your room, um, just for like humidity, or buy a one of those things that, what are they called, mistifier, something like that, with essential oil. And I have some essential oils here. I have been creating new candle as like scents, and they are very very nice. One day you can try some. Okay, and then recognize what are some of the thoughts that come across your mind. Catch them. If you catch them, congratulate yourself, because catch them, work out what negative messages that cross through your head each day. Okay, catch maybe 5, 10, because you think thousands and thousands of these. Actually you think 50, 60,000 thoughts, but your brain can only process maybe around 8 or 9,000. So catch them, catch these guys. And once you catch them, like thinking, one tiny thought can make you feel so upset. I have learned this. And analyze it a little bit, like, is this thought helpful? Is it true? For example, I'm thinking, oh my gosh, I'm so worried about XYZ, and this means my life is doomed. No, that's not true. In life, a lot of things can happen, but nothing actually matters, Christine. In the end, you will always be fine. Nothing should intimidate or scare you. Know that because of anxiety, that's it's telling lies. Like, once it's cured, life is so good, so good. You will remember that feeling of being on top of the world, carefree, like when we're in Thailand, when we were traveling. It feels so good, isn't it? So remember, that is how life's supposed to feel like. Okay, all the rest, all of the doom gloom, that is anxiety and depression. And the overthinking is ADHD. So recognize this, and yeah, I really want to help you take steps to manage this. And there's so many ways, so many things that we can do. And don't fret, you'll be alright, okay? I promise, baby. You just need to do some of the things that I suggest, mommy suggests, and look after yourself. I'll talk to you soon. Good night. Bye.